What?
I want to do two things at once.
Nah. Not on this unit.
All right, here we go.
Tilt them down. What key to tie him? Oh. that's pretty dang bad. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to show them. Yeah. Where can I put this? I got nowhere. Well, yeah, you can do it yourself, right? Yeah, there you go. Now what? That's horrible. I'm still holding it. That's right. Holy smokes. Whoa. Yeah. You ready? All right, go down. Oh my God. Okay, so let me just give you my honest thoughts of the machine. There's a machine here. Back up a little bit, Douglas, please. So this machine here, one nice thing about it is I like the height. I can actually see the forks while I'm working the machine. Okay, that one there, if you look at the machine, it's very boxy. It's not up high enough to see the front of the forks. So that's one thing I like about this machine. I also like the appearance of the machine. The machine has a really nice appearance how it looks compared to my machine over there. What do you think? I agree with you.
So, but the realistically was, we've already had one of these machines, and we didn't have that machine, so we didn't know what to do. So since we had a chance to get this machine again and that machine, I got that machine there because for me, pallets and moving trailers around are more important than moving dirt around with this particular machine. So ideally, if you want a better machine, you need to get the 25 horsepower ugly machine over there, which the stickers on the plaque on the machine says it lifts 660 pounds, and this one says, how much, Douglas, on that one?
770.
770. So the manufacturer claims this machine lifts more than that one, and that is not true.
Right.
On there. That's my opinion of the machine. And so,
you know, you got the wide track. It's unstable. As soon as you
get just a little bit of a rut or a rock or unlevel ground, you kind of
But
woo.
why is it so unstable like that though? What it's not.
Yes, I would say it's got to do something with how it's pivoted like that. Once it hits this first gear, wherever the motor is, like what the rear gear off of that, that's where the motor runs.
Right.
So once it goes either forward or reverse, it just kind of teeter-tots it back or
you
forward.
know what? And also, those tracks are longer on that one, I believe. Because look where my tracks end.
Yeah, that
and
one's
your
much
tracks
forward.
Your tracks are too far forward on this machine.
Yeah, you got the.
These tracks, part of the machine that's getting hurt is these tracks need to be sitting back here.
Yeah, double the size.
Over there.
Yeah, if you've seen on like the Bobcats, they're 10 times longer.
And you know what? That's got smaller rams. Son of a bitch.
That's what it is?
No, it's got smaller rams, Douglas. I'm almost positive these rams are smaller. So I could do that with my middle finger.
Yeah.
Can't do it with my middle finger.
Okay, you're right.
Damn, what the hell?
So just a little odds and ends.
Oh, we're done again.
Is that right? But yeah, it's got a lower profile. And this one's got a higher profile, ready to throw you off.
Douglas,
Yeah.
I can't wrap my hand around it.
No? Bigger piston, huh?
Oh yeah, so what we gotta do is
That's good.
Yeah, we gotta sell one of these off, right? And
Oh, gosh.
we gotta sell the rams off of one of them and put them on this fucking machine.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah, these rams, that's like 1 inch. These are 1.5 inches.
Yeah, that's probably all it needs right there.
Huh?
Upgraded Rams.
What the hell?
And just like a little
Am I doing that right?
little key differences inside
See if look for yourself, Douglas. Am I doing that right or wrong?
well, I would say you're right. It looks like that one
That ram
holds
is
double,
bigger, right?
Yeah. It looks like double.
Oh yeah.
By far, right?
Put your hand around my ram right there, the black part.
Well, not only that, but yours is boxed in here at the end. See that? That's nicely boxed in. Mine is just a little skimpy.
But why the hell did you put the bigger rams on here then?
That's a good question. They do a little bit of everything kind of different. But you still got the same ram in the center. Yep, you got better tie down support. I mean, Zerk fittings.
Okay, the fronts are the same.
Oh, you got a screen because you got a lot more room inside your.
Oh, well, that might be because
You got like that transformer kind of.
So this thing here, which way does this fan blow? Is this blowing in for us or out? That's blowing in, right? That blows in, this blows out. But stand on this machine, Douglas. Hey, see it? See how the front is?
Yeah.
Can't see. Huh? Can't see. Now look at yours.
Yeah. All right. Not too bad.
China needs to do, they need to make this machine work like that machine.
Perfect. All right, well, there you have it.